Hello, folks. I want to show you really quickly what went on yesterday, and that was the 28th of July, 2021. We had an FOMC meeting minutes released, and I want to show you a couple of times where I was not paying attention, and I want to hopefully, I'm showing this so you guys will be aware of these things in the future. Uh, I didn't get burned, but I lost 197 bucks. But let me dig into this and show you what went on. So first off, this is the 9:30 candle, which I usually trade the high of that. I will go long on the after the first 5-minute candle forms. Well, yesterday it went down and started back up, just screaming to it, and I figured I need a red candle in there to get to make my first trade. Well, something came up. I was distracted. There was my red candle. I missed it, and that thing went on up. I would have gotten my pre-designated 20 points, which is $400, and that's what I go for. I go for a $400 reward to a $100 risk on each trade. So I missed that one. And then I said, okay, everything looks bullish. I waited for this little pullback in here and I got long. I was up a little over 100 bucks at one point, and then it dumped on me, and I took $100 loss. So that's part of the game. But what I wasn't doing was paying attention to the calendar. And I'm trading Top Step Trader on this, so I'm second phase here. Once I complete it, I trade their money and they give me a percentage, 80-20 split. I get the 80, they get the 20. So what I want to show you here is this candle right here is where the minutes came out. And let me go over to one of these other pages real quick. So about every 6 weeks, the FOMC happens. That's the Federal Open Market Committee meeting. The minutes are released from, I think it's 4 weeks before. It says in here somewhere. You can go in and read this. This is, like I said, every 6 weeks it happens. And at that point, you do not want to be in the market at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time when those minutes are released, because it just goes crazy. And the Top Step Trader does not want you in the market during any of these releases like this. So for now, if you're trading natural gas, of course, that is when you don't want to be in the market during a minute before or a minute after, because things just go so crazy. But yesterday, I wasn't even paying attention. I usually check all these calendars and make sure that that's what's going on and anything for the day. And that was one I've been so caught up. I know we all do. We get caught up looking at other things and we forget. So that was my problem, my fault. Let me go back over to one of these other charts real quick. All right, so a little bit after that release, this is the 5-minute candle of that release. It's 90, I believe it's 90 points long, and that thing just went up and down, up and down. And really, it's been my experience in the past that you shouldn't even trade on this day. Because even this time leading up, they're jockeying. It's like their horse is jockeying before the finish line. They're waiting for this news to come out, and they want to be in the right position to try to make money on it, like we all do. So really, it's just, unless you get deep pockets, it's best just to stay out of the market. Take a day off. This market's going to be there the next day. Today's the next day, and it's here. So I did take a trade in there somewhere, and I think I got stopped real quick. And so I was down 197 for the day. The whole gist of this video real quick is to make you aware of the FOMC, because it'll wipe your account out if you're not careful. But I always use built-in stops. Oh, and also let me share this with you. The economic releases, I would get, if I got filled and I was in that market at that point, and Top Step would have canceled my step 2, I would have had to start step 2 all over again. So I'm up over $2,000, and they would have taken that away and just started back again as a clean slate. So they have rules you got to live by and trade by, and these guys have been professional traders and are still trading professionally. So they know the deal, and it's a good idea to kind of listen to people who have been down that road, especially if you're new to trading. This was something I was not aware of until just a few years ago. and I've been doing this since around 1990, 90 somewhere in there. But they didn't have these things going on back then. So I mean, well, I'm not saying the FOMC didn't meet, but you didn't know about this stuff, and you had to call your broker, and your broker would put orders in and all that stuff for you. So um, this is just something to be aware of. I took a small loss, no big deal. I'm not even licking my wounds. Just don't look behind you. You got to keep moving forward. So I hope this helped you out. It made me think about it again. Like, okay, I got to start. Really got to pay attention. So anyway, I hope you have a good trading day today. I will start another video as the market opens today, and report on my what I did. Okay, so have a good trading day, and hopefully you'll. Oh, by the way, if you don't mind, just if you like the video, please hit the like button on that for me, and subscribe if you'd like. Like to get uh, let them know or let you know when I make other videos. Okay, have a good day.